In this video, I'll show you how to disable shortcut notifications on iOS 18. So there's two different methods we can use to disable notifications. The first is just by launching up the Shortcuts application. Click on Automation in the bottom navigation, and down here you'll see a list of all of your current automations. So to disable any of these notifications, just select to the automation like so, and make sure Notify when run is toggled off like so. Now once you've disabled this should stop notifications from appearing, but if that doesn't work for you, there is one more way that we can stop shortcut notifications. So the second method is you need to head over to your settings menu on your iPhone, then scroll down to the screen time section and click this. Then click on See All App and Website Activity. Scroll down to the notifications section at the bottom. Click on Show More and keep scrolling down until you find the Shortcuts application. So mine will be right at the bottom down here. Once you've found the Shortcuts application, you can just select it like so. And then you just need to turn off notifications at the very top here, and that will also disable shortcut notifications. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.